previously had a late 996 which had electronic release for the boot and the engine bay. The early ones have mechanical release where the lever pulls a cord which then opens the release for the relevant bonnet or boot. What I found is that the early ones, despite being mechanical, can actually lock up. So when you try to pull the lever, it doesn't actually do anything, and it's almost as if it's seized in place. It's quite a simple fix. Literally all you need to do is to lock the car and unlock it again, and that seems to free it up. The reason it happened is I'd not used the car for about 6 weeks, although having started it and moved it out of the garage, I hadn't actually locked or unlocked the car in that time, and that seems to be the reason why. So that now allows you to open the bonnet and open the boot.